Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the enzymes in biomolecules. Okay, so in our body there are so many biochemical reactions are carried out, and these biochemical reactions are carried out at pH 7.4, near about 7.4, means this is a neutral, near about neutral, means up to 7 or less than 7 there is a acidic medium, greater than 7 basic medium, and this 7 to 7.5 or 6.5 to 7.5, these are the nearly neutral. Okay, so the chemical reactions or biochemical reaction which are carried out at 7.4 pH and near about the 37 degrees Celsius, this is our body temperature. So the chemical reaction or biochemical reaction which are carried out under these conditions, and these are catalyzed by some catalyst, and these catalysts, biological catalysts, these are called as the enzymes. Enzymes are the proteins. So what are the enzymes? Enzymes are the homogeneous biological catalysts which carried out the which carried out the biochemical reactions. Okay, and these biochemical reactions, they are carried out at 7.4 pH and 37 degree at 37 degrees Celsius. These are called as enzymes. Okay, so the enzymes, for example here, insulin. So insulin, these are secreted in a pancreas, and these are the responsible to control the sugar level in our body. So this insulin, it is called as enzymes, means in biochemical reaction in which the sugar is controlled or sugar must be controlled, and then it acts as a biological catalyst, and this is called as the enzyme. It is also one of the hormone. Okay, so this is the enzyme. Then next one, that is the amylase. Amylase. It is present in the saliva. Okay, amylase present in saliva, and this is also one of the enzymes. In enzyme means action of enzyme, that is it is called as the key and lock system. This is mechanism of enzyme. So key and lock system enzyme mechanism is just like here. Suppose this is the enzyme. Okay, and this was substrate. Okay, so when this substrate, it is placed at the active part of the enzyme. This is enzyme, and this is active part of enzyme. Okay, now, and this is substrate. When it is brought in contact with this active part of the enzyme, then just like key and lock, in this way it is placed in a active site, and this is substrate. Okay, and after complete reaction, here this enzyme, it acts as a catalyst. This catalyst means what? Which by mere presence the rate of reaction increases or the reaction is carried out, and these enzymes do not take part in the biochemical reaction. So these are the substrate, and these substrate is just like this. Means here complete reaction is complete. Now this substrate before the reaction, this is the intermediate, and after the reaction here products are formed, and these are the, in our language, these are the reactants. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी काय होऊन राहिलं, reactants convert into product by using this substrate, and this substrate in the biochemical reaction, these substrates, these are the made up by the proteins, and these are the biological catalysts, and these are called as the enzymes. Okay, Then after that, application of enzymes. Application of enzymes. Enzymes are applied in a first one, that is first application of enzyme. First application, that is glucose, it is used in the transformation of glucose into fructose, or it is called as the sweet sugar. Okay, so glucose into fructose by using here glucose isomers, they get converted into the fructose. Okay, then second one application, that is here new antibiotics using penicillin G antibiotics. Okay, means preparation or manufacturing of the new antibiotics from the penicillin or old antibiotics. Then third one, then in the laundry, the detergents, many types of detergents, okay, from nanoparticles to coarse particle. These are the in laundry detergents are prepared or manufactured by using these enzymes or synthetic enzymes. Then last one, that is esters, means in a cosmetics. In cosmetics, these esters are used, and these esters are prepared by using these enzymes. Okay, means biological ingredients or biological molecules, they get converted into the esters by using some engineering enzymes. Okay, these are the applications of enzymes. Then after watching this video, attempt the following questions. First question, what is enzyme? Enzymes. Give example. Second one, what are application of enzymes? Third one, discuss mechanism of action of enzymes. So, in our body or a living cell, they have the very important property, and that property is to prepare or to reproduce the new one. Okay, and that is the main aspects of the living cell. And living cell contain main compound or biomolecule, that is called as a nucleic acid. So, students, you know that this RNA and DNA. So, what is RNA and what is DNA? So, RNA means this is the ribonucleic acids, and DNA, it is the deoxyribonucleic acid. RNA and DNA, these are the polymers or unbranched polymers of some monomers, and these monomers, these are the first, that is nucleotides. Nucleotides. And second one, that is nucleosides. Okay. So what is nucleotides and what is nucleosides? First, that is phosphate group, PO4. Then sugar, that is ribose. Okay. Sugar. And the base, nitrogen containing base. This polymer or this monomer, this unit is called as nucleotides. Okay. And then here only sugar and base, nitrogen containing base. This combined, means this unit is called as nucleosides. In nucleosides and nucleosides, there are the base present, and these bases, these are the first, that is pyrimidine base, and second one, that is the purine base. First here cytosine, then uracil and thymine. Okay, these are the pyrimidine base, and second one, that is the purine bases, means purine compound or purine, on the basis of this purine compound, the purine bases, these are, first is adenine, and second one, that is guanine. These are the bases which are present in the nucleotides and nucleosides. Okay. So in RNA, this RNA, that is ribonucleic acids. So this is called as the D-ribonucleic acid. First it contains D-ribonucleic acid, that is sugar. Then A, G, C and U. And then DNA, it contains the deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid means this is the sugar base compound. Okay, and then it contains the base A, G, C, U and T. So here A means adenine, G means guanine, C means here cytosine, and U means uracil. Okay, and deoxyribonucleic acid, it contains first again adenine, then here guanine, then cytosine, and last means this is the thymine. Okay, these are the RNA and DNA. The structures of RNA and DNA, these are deleted in our syllabus for this year. Okay, this recent year. So this is the nucleic acid. So after watching this video, here attend the following question. What are nucleosides and nucleotides? Second, name the bases present in RNA. Next, third one, name the bases present in DNA.